Nice drop from Michelle. Wow, this is turning out to be another one of those classics, and
alam natin, a lot is at stake in today's game.
Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's VD. Drop ball. Andyan si Tina. Wow!
That was too low.
Sayang yun because Tina was all over that first touch. So walang problema dun sa second touch ni Michelle. Masyado mababa. They throw it out to Michelle again. The block is there. Tajima and Hervasio gets the block, giving the Lady Eagles a 4-point lead. Let's listen in to the Lady Troopers.
Yung mga nag-training din, 4 na to, 8 taon nag-training din yan. Ano lang, huwag natin itapon yung mga simpleng bola. Kaya nga natin bola, natin connect. Ano mangyayari sa atin? 6-10, panalo na bago matapos. O, habulin natin. Dikit natin yan, o kaya i-on natin, hindi na kailangan mo sinilagyan. So, last set.
Take a look at that again. Carolino. Block.
Yeah, Hervasio actually credited for that block. Gem. Dudakis again. The block of Tajima and Hervasio. Very effective and hard to penetrate.
Oh, Buna, too eager. Too eager on that one. They're clarifying with the officials.
Alright, so that point going again for Ateneo. So 11-6 na to. Napako sa 6 points. Itong muntik pang maka-ace.
Oh! But the blocking is just really there for Ateneo. All the plays of the Philippine Army well read.
And now another timeout by the Philippine Army. 6 points na ang lamang. Let's listen in.
Dahil sa laro tayo. Nandiyan kami sa atin. Kailangan ng panalo. Sa akin nagbibitaw ng konting labang naman. Pero kami habol pa yun.
Look at that again. Set up by Salak. Mayet Carolino gets blocked by Hervasio. Dito makikita rin natin yung sipag ng Ateneo and the effort really of making sure that they do their job in the front line.
Ooh, Michelle getting some help from the net. Stops the bleeding of the Philippine Army. Finally, nakalampas sila sa 6 points nang matagal silang napako. 7 serving 12. John Bunag. Kailangan mga sure serves ngayon yan.
Oh, but points like that being forced by Ateneo on the Philippine Army, medyo mahirap din. Ngayon, lalo na ngayong 2 points away na lang ang Ateneo from closing and winning this match.
13-7. Back set to Z. Oh! No touch from the block. Z Hervasio not having any wrist action on that attack. Misfiring. Lead is still 5 points. Michelle with a floater high up in the air. Jakalarka gets that block on Phil Kainglit. 9 serving 13. Hang on, folks. Philippine Army trying to make their run right now. The block of Rachel and Jack.
Slowly but surely, the Philippine Army climbing up.
Good timeout here by Coach Parley. Let's listen in.
Si Marge, bisa mo Marge. Dito ka na lang. Si Marge ito eh. Wait ka. Pwede ka rin.
Again, our Shakey's open volleyball invasion. For every 500 peso food purchase at any one of those 21 Shakey's branches within Metro Manila and Makati, you get a free ticket into the finals of the Open Conference here at the Ninoy Aquino Stadium. Drop shot. Tina Salak is right there. Rachel with that.
Oh, single block by Tejada.
Wow, that was a big one right there.
Oh, and if you're Tejada, I mean, you're a rookie blocking an experienced player like Dakis must have felt good. Pang-boost din
I
ang
know,
morale.
that must have felt really good for Tejada. Yun ang tawag talaga doon, sariling sikap.
Oo.
Wala siyang katulong doon sa block.
Oh, Dakis makes sure.
Pinaluan talaga ni Rachel.
Hindi siya papayag na ganun-ganun lang. Make sure that she
Pinawian agad.
makes up for it immediately.
Alright, crucial stretch here. Down by 3, no more errors for the Philippine Army. Good serve from Mayet. Jack Alarca, very steady over at the block.
Closing all the doors there for Valdez.
2 points. Look at this. This is the tallest front line for the Philippine Army right now. Dakis, Alarca, and Salak. Oh! Tina Salak!
And this is where experience now really comes in for the Lady Troopers.
Wow! What guts Tina Salak had on that play. Let's listen to Coach Parley.
Mark, bilisan mo. Iwan mo lang dito doon. Yes, bilisan mo lang din.
Alright, let's look at this slow-mo. Tina Salak with the left. Ayan, na surpresa ang depensa ng Ateneo, and that took a lot of guts from Tina Salak to do that at that crucial stage. Eto na, tingnan natin. Mayet Carolino, this serve very, very important. Safely
Sure
over.
serve.
Yun lang naman ang kailangan.
And just like that,
What a play for the rookie Tejada. Last 2 points was scored by Tejada. Those are the most crucial points.
let's take a look at our Shakey's shake and play. Look at this. And maganda dyan, you see the morale of this young player really coming out in this game.